Bonjour, long time no see. I've stuck my phone to my head again, so I'll try and keep this brief because it's terribly uncomfortable and it gives me a headache. I've made a modified Jaguar controller, made it into a rotary controller rather than doing the standard thing that people tend to do, which is just drill a hole in the D-pad and mount the encoder that way. I decided to make my life difficult and chop and drill and sand and glue and fanny around and make a backlit spinner, which is a fairly unique look. Took my time with it, wanted it to look as close to factory as possible, and it does really. It doesn't look like it's a modded controller, it just looks like it was bought that way. I call it the Opal because of its colourful luminescence, much like the stone, and also because that looks like an O. See, it's quite clever when you think about it. It's not just Tempest anymore which uses rotary controllers. There are, I don't know, 6, 7, 8 games now which support rotary input. I've got 3, so I shall demonstrate. First one up is Impulse X, which is basically a remake of Breakout. If I suck, it's because this is really awkward. My phone's pretty much in front of my eyes and I can't really see the TV very well. Oh no, doing all right. Ah, crap. Anyway, enough of that. I just swapped the controllers over. Impulse X needs controller to be in port 2. Everything else I've got needs in port 1. That's right. Next up, Tempest. Why not? Everybody loves a bit of Tempest. Get in there. God, this is uncomfortable. Ah. This was obviously the first game I played when I did the controller. Scores went through the roof. The speed and accuracy that you get with a rotary is far better than you get with a D-pad. And look at the speed you can go around this. You can actually outrun the frame rate of the game and get shot at the same time, which is good. Jump enabled. Whee! That's Tempest. Last one I've got is Rebooteroids, which is kind of a reimagining of Asteroids. Excellent game. Atari Age, yay! Yeah, you can switch between normal control and rotary control by pressing the hash key. or just by spinning the rotary encoder, and it will sort of auto detect it.
Get ready.
God, that's loud.
Wave complete.
Yeah, I got shot. Well, not shot, I crashed. No excuse for that, really.
Wave complete.
So that's that. Unlike pretty much everything else I make a video about, I've actually made some of these for sale. I've made 10 of them so far. I may make more of them depending on how those go. I'll sell them on my website. I'll put a link in the description of the video. I'm asking £100 a piece for them. For that you basically get the it's a new controller. I'll get that they're all new old stock Jaguar controllers, so brand new. You get all the parts and labour. It's all listed on the website what you exactly get, because it's a labour intensive mod. It takes me about 5 hours to make each controller. You also get for that price a custom drawstring bag, which will keep it clean and tidy. It's got the Opal logo on it. It's quite nice. And you also get priority global airmail with tracking and insurance. So yeah, if you're interested, if you want a controller, a rotary controller which is not just the standard drilled D-pad type, then take a look, and thank you for watching.